Good morning everyone. My name is Anushka from class 7. Today I am telling about computer question answer.
What do you mean by formula?
Formula is contains cells by rearranging the chart is called formula.
What is cell and range reference?
The cell and reference the working of time, the numbers, for example AI plus A2.
What do you understand by function?
Function is contain cells by rearranging the numbers of data is called functions.
Explain the autosum feature of MX Excel.
Autosum feature is rearrange the data of sorting research is called autosum.
Define sorting data with regrets to MS Excel.
The sorting data, the rearranging the numbers of data.
What do you mean by chart?
Chart is a pictorial form of reproduce the rearranging of numbers.
What are the different type of chart in MS Excel?
The different part of chart is line chart, pie chart, scatter chart, bar chart और वो area chart.
Name any 5 component of a chart.
X axis data point, data series, y axis और data area.
What is the use of data series and data point in a chart?
Data series, the set of number the set of number is the numbers that data used to set numbers.
और